asked me to introduce outdoor LED screen. So today I would like to introduce this special outdoor LED screen, EA1000C6 model. The LED screen cabinet size of LED screen is 1000mm by 500mm, and each panel size covers 0.5 square meters. So it's very convenient to calculating the total usage area. It features two quick locks on the top and the left side, ensuring fast assembly and better screen brightness. The model of 1000C6 LED rental LED screen comes to pre-installed, so there's no need to install it again during use. The greatest save workers' labor time. All they need to do is stand them together like logout blocks. The cabinet is made of die-cast aluminum, and all screws and quick locks are made of stainless steel, so enhancing the overall strength and durability. EA1000C6 rental video walls can offer flexible installation options, so you can either choose inner curve locks installations or outer curve locks installations. So that can easily reach your requirements and different scenarios. In addition, it features rear cup design on the back design. There is a sealing ring around the edge of the cover plate, which ensures better sealing performance. The power supply is mounted close to the rear cover door, which features a heat dissipation design that effectively enhances the cabinet cooling performance. EA1000C6 rental LED screen can also be combined with the EA500C6 model, allowing for diverse shapes to meet different scenarios requirements. That's for end of introduction. See you next time. Bye bye.